The Game of Trouble by Hasbro is a fun and easy game to practice the patterns and codes for the pronoun phrases. Each side of the board has 7 spaces, beginning with the start space, which works well with the 7 English pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. The 4 sides of the game allow you to practice the 4 forms for telling, telling with the negative contraction, asking, and asking with the negative contraction. All 28 forms of the pronoun phrase can be practiced in a game of trouble. Print out the pronoun phrase strips on cardstock or regular paper. Then trim them along the dotted lines. You will have 4 strips per pronoun phrase. You will want to attach the strips to the underside of your trouble game. I like to use Velcro to do that, so I've added small Velcro dots to the corners of each strip and then Velcro to the base of the trouble game. You'll need to get it right to the edge. Then attach each strip to the trouble board. Rotate the board so that when you're looking at the left side, the text and the icons are always appropriately aligned. Play the game as usual. After moving the designated number of spaces, say the pronoun phrase that aligns with that space. As you play, rotate the game board in order to read, then say the required pronoun phrase. Let's play Trouble. We see the first player, the red player, has popped a 6. They can take their person out and put it right there and then say, they want.
They want.
I'm going to turn the board for the next player, the blue player. They're going to pop the Pop-O-Matic. Oh, they got a 1. No, they can't move their person out yet. Then it's the green player. What are they going to pop? A 1. Nope. Now the yellow player. Let's hope for a 6. A 1. We're getting a lot of 1s. Now the red player has got a 2. They can take this one and go 1, 2. That lines up with it wants.
It wants.
Now it's the next player's turn. 2. Still, they can't get 1 out. We have to have a 6 to get 1 out. 2. Oh. 2. Wow, the red player is the only one who's getting to move. 2. 1, 2. And you can say, he wants.
He wants.
Yay, the blue player has finally gotten a 6. They can come out and say, do they want? That's asking the question. Do they want?
Do they want?
Let's see what the green player gets. A 3. The yellow player, a 4. Back to the red player, a 1. That lines up with you want.
You want.
Initially, play the game by having the student just say the pronoun phrase. But after the student takes a turn, you as the teacher turn the phrase into a short sentence by adding something to the end. This is called recasting. Eventually, ask the student to make their own short sentence using the pronoun phrase. To start playing Trouble today, get pronoun phrase strips at my Teachers Pay Teachers store. They are currently available for Unity 84 sequenced, Unity 144 sequenced, and LAMP Words for Life.